So in this subject, what we're going to do is we're going to test your landing page. So I'll go to Pixel Perfect Site Builder.
From Builder All.
That's correct. And let's just X this out. Success system, this is the landing page, right? So I'm going to open this landing page here, right? I'm going to open the editor for this landing page as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now this is the editor, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click this, okay? I'm going to click configure. I'm going to select mailing boss from here, okay?
Okay.
I selected mailing boss. Now you see success system student version, this is the list, right? That we created mailing boss. I just pushed this as a done for you email list and an email sequence, right? So I'll select this list from here, success system student version, right? And first name, email,
Right.
this just gets saved, and then I'll right click this again, and I'll click change URL, okay? And then I'll select this as page, right? Pending subscribe. So as soon as the person opts in, he should be taken to page 2. Thank you page, right?
Yep.
And click OK. And as soon as the person confirms his subscription, he should be taken to the subscription confirmed page. You see, subscription confirmed, right? Page 3.
Yep.
Right? And someone, let's say, decides to unsubscribe, right? So you should be taken to the unsubscription page. That is page number
4.
4, okay? Page 4, right? Click OK, right? And click confirm.
Confirm.
So this has been confirmed, right? Now I'll click save. And I'll click save once more. Okay. Now this has been finally saved. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here, right? I'm going to open this particular link. I'll click here. Now what I can do is I can simply copy basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this temporary email, okay? This temporary email, I'm going to copy this email and I'm going to go back to the landing page, refresh this once. I'm going to put the email here. I'm going to put that email here, right? I'm going to put, let's say, Gusto, right? I'm going to click get instant access. Now, as soon as I click get instant access, okay, there's one change I have to do in Builderall. I just need to go back to the editor, click here, click this editor and click options, okay? Click options and you just need to say open in the same tab, okay? Click confirm to this. Now let's see. Gusto. Hit enter. Now you see,
Thank
this
you.
is a great opportunity for you to work from home by simply filling surveys. Looks good?
Good.
Right. So now you have become an email marketer, okay, in one day. Okay, fine. Everything takes time. It takes some serious hard work, okay? Yeah. And I do my best to help my students. So now
Yes.
now when you go back to this temporary email, right? Now, if you observe, this says Isidro Serino, please confirm your subscription, right? First
Yes.
name, right? First name of yours just came in, right? So this email is coming from support at happyhealthstar.com. You see that?
Yeah.
As soon as the person clicks this link, right? As soon as this person clicks this link, he will
He
be
will send to the offer.
taken to uh so
Oh.
let's say click this link. All right. So this email would be basically we just need to do some edits in um, in we just need to update the list because we added the custom domains and all that stuff, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So we just need to go to mailing boss here, and let's say because we did not edit the stuff here, so we will go to lists, we will go to
Don't.
lists here, and then we will go to the success system student version. We'll go to the overview of this. You see one subscriber, you see that? We will go here,
Yeah.
go to update, we will go to update, and we just need to update some stuff here because we added those custom domains, right? Click advanced, I'm going to click advanced, I'm going to say yes to the welcome email, yes, and I'm going to say this as uh, team at onlinesurveyprofits.us, right? And uh, okay, all good. I'm going to click save changes. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click notifications. I'm going to say yes to this. I'm going to say yes. Then I'm going to say yes. Now, I'm going to add your email here, right? Because whenever someone subscribes, you will get a notification on this email. Sounds good? Does that make sense?
Yes, makes sense.
Right? And when someone confirms their subscription, I like to put a different email here. Now, do you have a different email? Can you put a different email here so that you know by
Yes.
looking at your email that this many people confirm the subscription? If you get an email to the different email, you will get to know, okay, this many people confirm the subscription. Cool?
Cool. Uh-huh.
Okay, good. Click save changes. And now the next thing that you can do is other things that you can do is notifications and subscriber actions is something advanced company detail. Now here you can put here are your details, right? happyhealthstar.com, that's your website, right? We set this up first time, correct? And pretty much then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to pages, right? And you're going to go to pending subscribe. And what I like to do is I like to center this particular notification. Please check your email address in order to confirm your subscription. I like to center this every time, okay? And
Okay.
then scroll down and advanced,
Save.
and I click advanced, then I simply add this as 2 seconds. I add a 2 seconds delay here, okay? And I click save next. Then I'll go to pages again. Go to pages again. I'll click subscription confirmed. Subscription confirmed. And scroll down. Okay, before I scroll down, I'll just basically click this button, right? and then I'll make this center and scroll down. Okay, take this, then scroll down, then click advanced, and then I'll add another delay of maybe 1 second here, let's say. Okay, 2 seconds of delay, right? And then click save and next. Then I'll go to pages again. Okay, go to
Subscription.
subscription confirmed and click advanced, and I'll copy this particular link. Okay, copy this link, go back, click pages, and then I'll go to update profile. Okay,
Okay.
and click advanced, then I'll add 2 seconds of delay here, then I'll paste that link here. Okay, and click save and next. Go to pages once more. Now if I want to make any changes to subscribe confirm email, I'll keep this to default. I don't touch anything here, right? Everything remains default. Now finally the list has been set up perfectly. Okay, now
Yes.
if you observe, okay, so let's go to lists.
One subscriber.
Okay, now if I go here, right, I can check the subscriber here.
One.
Gusto, you see that?
Yeah.
Right, now I like to change the name of this list. Go back. It says Isidro. I don't want to say it as Isidro. I just would like to go to update. And it says Isidro. So I like to say success system, right? Success system. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Success system. And I'll put a date. So the date today is 18th Feb. 18th Feb, right?
Right.
Scroll down and click save changes, because I don't want to get confused, right? Now if I go to list here, right, I can see the exact list, like 18 Feb. I created this list on 18 Feb, right? So makes my life easy, right? Now the next thing is I have just added this list. Now we're going to test this again. Okay, so we're going to go to google.com, and we're going to test this mail. Okay,